Yes.
Now, sir, screen is visible, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now it is visible.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. So, I am presenting here a PhD coursework seminar on IBM Watson, which is a technological platform for the artificial intelligence and machine learning, and it uses for businesses also, like IBM Watson Education, IBM Watson Commerce, IBM Watson's Health, and so on. So, uh, the content for my seminar is the introduction, what is the Watson, four sections of Watson, how does the Watson works, applications and some applications and features of the Watson, pre-built Watson application, Watson interfaces, uh, conclusion and reference. So, what is the Watson? Watson is a technological platform used for natural language processing and machine learning. It is basically see the data which is available on the diverse field or various platform, process that data and make the decision about that data, means answers, make the give the answers to that particular question, like that it operates like a expert system. It's a IBM artificial intelligence solution, and the innovative for this is it makes its own hypothesis based on the various unstructured data that it captured on the from the various platforms. So actually, when we see the working of this IBM Watsons, there are four different sections we need to consider. That is, observe, interpret, evaluate, and decide. So, observe means that IBM Watson observe the unstructured data or take the unstructured data from the diverse fields. That is what is innovative in this is this platform will capture the data from the Facebook post also. Facebook post, LinkedIn post related to that subject. So, and after the collecting that unstructured data, it will interpret the data in such a way that that data is useful for our research or for our uh, research or for our finding the answer of that particular question. So, interpret the data. So, data processing is involved in the second stage, that is interpret stage. Third is the evaluate. So in evaluate stage, that IBM Watson will divide that data in the good data or bad data format or types. So good data is used for the finding the analysis of that answer. Then decide. So here in this decide stage, IBM Watson will generate the patterns that like the generation technique of that patterns, like the human can generate some patterns and conclusions, uh, like means like that IBM Watson also generates some patterns and from that data. So these are the four stages of the IBM Watson. The next is the how does the Watson work. So as we know that it will take the information from the diverse field, from the all the field. Then with the help of the experts, this can answer the diverse questions to specific problem. It will relate the subject, means at what subject it's working on. For example, fertilizer recommendation, that is suppose my application and I am using IBM Watson. So in that case, it will collect the data related to that and process that data, and whatever the program, or whatever the instruction I am giving in that, so according to that it will um, decide the pattern, output pattern of that data. So then this is doesn't rely on the single algorithm, it will use the 100 algorithms to find the particular subject answer or candidate answer, that is it. And it will score that answers based on the hypothesis. Based on the hypothesis, it will score the answer. Um, then the applications and features. The IBM Watson, first of all, very famous application is Watson's APIs. So there are many Watson's APIs are available for the visual recognition, for speech to text, text to speech. Then Watson Assistant, and so on. Many APIs are available. Translator is very famous. That is spoken translator. Okay. Then cinema recommendation app, that is Book My Show is the example of that. Fashion catalog. So these are the few applications I'm taken here. Then pre-built Watson applications. Pre-built Watson applications means the services that Watson will provide. So many services that Watson can provide. That is one of the famous services, the Watson Assistants. With the help of that, we many companies are making the chatbot for their services. Then Watson Discovery is also used for discovering the particular document. So especially it is used for the vehicle insurance companies. Vehicle insurance companies are using this Watson Discovery. Then natural language understanding means processing, machine learning, and many more applications are there in the IBM Watson. Now I'm taking here the screenshot of the cloud.ibm.com uh, platform. So here we can log in with the help of IBM ID. So here my office ID is nothing but my IBM ID. So with the help of that, I can log in the IBM cloud account. Then uh, in this homepage also tells about the whatever the things we can do, that is built a web application for the speech to text. Means these are the APIs shown here. uh, Speech to text, then a VPC virtual private cloud, and so many APIs are there in this. Now in the, if you go in the resource list, and if we choose the artificial intelligence and machine learning, so this screen will open. And here, after that, here I am choosing the Watson Assistant service. So if I click the Watson Assistant, uh, these are the services: speech to text, Watson Discovery, Watson Knowledge Catalog, then language translator, natural language understanding. After clicking the Watson Assistance, this screen will open. So here we need to choose the location from where we can configure this. So I am choosing the location is Dallas. For this location, the light plan is free. So that's why I choose this location. So after choosing the location and clicking the create button, already I created the instance. So that's why this create button is not enabled. So I created the instance in the machine learning section, that is Watson machine learning. So this is nothing but I created a one chatbot with this. This screen is for the launching the IBM Cloud Pack. So here in this screen, I created a design a four applications, that is algorithm, machine learning algorithm, ANN, fertilizer recommendation is the last project I created, but that is not completed. Half part is completed by this fertilizer location recommendation project. Now this is the um, platform where we can code the uh, with the help of Python. Then one more facility is given here. This IBM Watson is nothing but the supercomputer, IBM supercomputer, which is having 10 racks of 750 servers. Uh, 16 terabyte is the RAM for that. So that's why they will give us the facility as per our project requirement. We will choose the CPU configuration. For example, for my this IBM Watson chatbot, I choose the one CPU, 4 GB RAM, zero point 0.5 capacity units required per hour. For some projects, we require more in that case. So in that case, suppose 8 CPU and 32 GB RAM, 4 capacity units required per hour. So according to that, but that are not free. There is a charges for that. So in this way, means we need not require that configuration machine physically. Virtually, we can use that machine and we will run our code and see the result in this. Then this is the screen before launching the IBM Watson. So now here the IBM Watson Assistant is launched. So here, hi, I am virtual assistant. How can I help you? So in that case, I created the actions, greetings, cancel. So if I type something, if I type there hi, so then the next action comes, that is greeting. I hope you are ready for the order. So this is the restaurant board. So if uh, I already said the background question, that is yes or no. So if I say yes, so in that case, next question comes, select the option listed below. So here again I configured two answers, view offers and view the menu cards. So now if I click on the view offers button, then we will get the again message, that is 50% offer is now there. In this way we can make the chatbot with the help of IBM assistants. Then this is the flow of the information processed in the IBM Watson, that is question whatever, then question analysis. So this is other name for this is a deep QA. Linux based servers they are implemented. IBM is implemented 750 servers, that is deep question analysis, yeah, servers on the Linux based. So now in the uh, at the summary, that is Watson can understand all the forms of data, interacts naturally with the people, and learn the region at the scale. IBM Watson offering apply to industry, business, and science. So there are many applications for the IBM Watson, IBM Internet of Things, Watson Health, Watson Education, Watson Commerce, and so on. And these are the references that I referred for the IBM Watsons. They with their video links. So yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, madam. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, over from
Is
your
that
side?
audible?
Yes, yes, sir. From my side, it is.
Okay. Yes, madam. I have questions. Meanwhile, I have a question. Why this is the topic of your seminar?
Sir, actually, I'm using this for my PhD work, IBM Watson, because instead of purchasing the that heavy configuration laptop, we can use this, and we will pay the for that period only. Whatever the configuration we required, so that configuration they will provide us virtually, and there is very much facilities are available in that, and it is easy for the uh, studying and finding the results.
Okay. Fine. Then I have another question. What about the accuracy of this system?
Sir,
You make queries and the Watson gives you answer.
हाँ sir,
What about the accuracy and
accuracy
validity?
accuracy in terms of value, I don't know right now, but for many applications it is used in the industry also. So that's why, and I am working on this. I already created a chatbot with this, so it will be very in millions of seconds it will process the data and gives the result, because the structure backend is very strong. There is a 750 servers they are installed in their side, so that it is very fast, sir.
So we need to pay. It is chargeable, no? We have
Yes,
to
sir.
pay for it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As per our requirement.
As per our requirement, there are the plans. Uh, so, but for that period only. Suppose we required only 2 months, so for that period only we can charge.
Fine. That's all from my side. So I to other experts and judges.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Hello, Yadav sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
madam.
Is it chatbot? Is it chatbot?
No, it is one of the application is the chatbot, that is Watson Assistant.
Okay.
With the help of
And
Watson
this one is
Assistant,
that is Watson IBM. Yeah.
Watson IBM is not a chatbot. It is a uh, platform which combine all types of services, machine learning services, translator. OpenCV also included in this. Means many services is included in this Watson. So we choose that service and we go with that. Means suppose if I want to build a chatbot,
So
then I will choose the Watson Assistant service. Suppose
so
I
basically it is the tool from AI, right?
Yes, yes. It is a tool from IBM for the AI and machine
AI.
learning.
It is the tool from AI,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, madam. Yes,
Yeah. And this tool may be useful in your research topic.
yes,
Is
madam.
it
Yes,
so?
yes, yes, madam. Yes.
Okay. So curiosity point of view, I am asking why it is named as IBM Watson?
Actually, the IBM founder, that is Flint. So he named this IBM Watson name. So I don't know. Means I am not search for the specific name.
Okay. Okay. And if have you implemented it for some project
Yes,
or
yes, yes,
some
madam.
example?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay. Okay. Fine. Over from my side, Tunde sir. Hello, Donde sir.
Yes, yes, madam. Yes, I am in the modern college and range problem is there. So my one question:
Yes,
what
sir.
is the role of cloud in Watson Analytics? You know that?
Role,
Yes.
yes, cloud are required for taking the data from the sir various field like Facebook post or from other fields for our related project, and taking that data and interpretation of data. Means the data is processed for our suitable for our analysis. So that's why it is required for the clouds. That's why the cloud is required.
Okay. Any idea which algorithm used while developing this particular application, IBM Watson
No,
application?
no, sir. That idea I don't have.
So can you enlist some 3 to 4 application of this IBM Watson?
Applications, our IBM Watson's having a API, that is API services. Then IBM Discovery, IBM Watson Assistance, IBM Machine Learning, then IBM Natural Language Understanding, then IBM Neural Seek एक आहे ना. IBM Neural Seek means there is many applications.
Okay, okay, okay.
Then Neural Seek, IBM Knowledge Studio, Then uh,
Can we use this in healthcare
yes,
application?
yes, sir. IBM Health is a very famous application right now.
Hmm.
It is in the already in the market, sir. For
Okay,
the
okay,
patient, for the there is a name that is CADT, that is cancer early detection stage. That application is already used in the hospitals.
okay. Sir, madam, it's okay from my side.
Hello.
Yes,
Huh.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Next candidate will. Huh?
Yeah.
yes.
Yes. Yes.
Madam, can I stop my?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yadav sir, you
Ah,
can stop
yes.
now. Whitaker sir will
Okay,
proceed.
okay, sir.